Hey, good morning. This is Casey. I'm 1 Marigold. Let's go pick out our radishes. I came out here to check on my radishes, and it was a really super hot weekend. And look, I had a bolting radish. It was really hot. I don't blame it. Look what the root looks like. Look what that turns into when the radish bolts. Kind of looks like the carrot, right? Crazy. So, the radishes definitely need to come out. They probably should have come out before the weekend. I got a couple more bolting in there, but we'll get the rest out and we'll see what we can't pickle up, and there we go. All right, I have pulled some out already just for fresh eating, and they've been yummy and delightful and crunchy and peppery. But if you bolted this weekend, it got super crazy hot, so I'm not surprised. So let's just get the rest out and see what we're working with. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Oliver. Hey, hey. Stay. Gotta stay out, Hilda. Ooh, this one's huge, but funky. It's got little pock marks. Might have been just a little too long. I'm not sure what those pock marks are. Oh, that's not really a radish anymore. Ooh, lots of little ones. Close together. Had to wait for the moving truck to go by. Okay, little bitty ones. These are ones that just didn't get thinned enough, and they're just teeny weeny, and we're just gonna let the dogs eat them. Boop. They love it. Don't worry. Yeah, lots of them are going to seed. Ooh, that's a gorgeous beauty. Pretty. Oh, more too little. Whoop. Little bitty. Little bitty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Little. Oliver, what do you say? Oh, that one's bolted. Bolted! So there we go. That is the rest of the radish harvest. It's beautiful. I just love that color. Some of my radishes are definitely smaller than I would have thought they would be at this point. So I want to think a little bit about why that might be. These are the radishes that I did the cornstarch method with, and they did need to be thinned out because this was like the first time I tried it and there was kind of a consistency issue. So it could be that I just didn't thin them quite enough, which is totally possible, or it could be something else that I'm just not aware of that's going on with the soil. So it also got hot early this year, so who knows, maybe some of these had stunted growth back from the first wave of heat 3 or 4 weeks ago. Who knows? Either way, I'm delighted with what I have. This is how it goes in the garden. Sometimes it's a win, sometimes it's not. And to be fair, I have already harvested like 3 times from that one particular patch, so I kind of took the best ones already. But it's great. I love pickled radishes, and that's what I'm excited to do with these. I should get one full jar out of it, and there we go. Finished product. Check out these radishes. Are they not gorgeous? Gorgeous. Delightful, pickled up. They are so good. Put them on tacos, sandwiches, burgers, salads. It doesn't matter. The radishes aren't going to last the week. So I did want to let you know that I did do a little bit of educating of myself. I went to my garden books and I did a little Googling, and I looked for other reasons why my radishes might have been so small. And it still seems like the 2 common reasons are what I sort of understood. One, just overcrowding, that some of them just needed a little bit more room, which, you know, I guess I thought I did, but maybe I did not. The second reason, though, is heat. You know, radishes are really a cool weather crop, and while it's pretty cool weather for us in 5B right now, the first start of spring, we had a couple of like really excessively hot weeks early, like 80s, upper 80s and 90s. And so I'm wondering if we might just have like a combination of 2 factors going on. That maybe the burst of heat sort of threw them off their game a little bit and maybe started them on the path to bolting just a little bit sooner. And then it could also have been overcrowding. My soil is really sandy, and I always amend with sand, so I don't know that that was really the issue. But either way, doesn't matter to me. You live and learn every time you grow something, right? And at the end of the day, I grew this and you can grow it too. And it's something to eat and add to your pantry. So there you go, folks. As always, I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, if you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a like. I sure would appreciate it. And if you want to see more, give me a little subscribe, and especially click that notification button, and then you'll get all my weird videos, and we'll garden together, and it'll be just great. Okay, that's it. I love you. I hope you have a great day. I'm going to talk to you soon. Happy growing.